Hello and welcome to my talk about the assessment of vertical structure from airborne laser scanning data in natural forest. My name is Manuela Hirschmugl. The background of this is that foresters in Austria seek to transform our forests back to more natural states with a higher vertical structure to have more resilience with regards to climate change and insect infestations and storm. The aim is to provide a tool to objectively monitor this transition using ALS data from an airplane. Here are some examples of the vertical structure types in forest we distinguish. You can see there are three types: low, medium, and high vertical structure. And on the bottom you can see the laser echoes divided into height classes. And from the left to the right, the structure increases. The first research question is, are treetops or laser echoes better suited for the assessment of the vertical structure? You can see the laser echoes on the right. The second research question concerns the spatial unit, which is needed to assess the structure. Is it a simple grid? Is it moving circles, or are non-overlapping segments? Finally, the third question concerns which classifier is best usable, and we have compared 4 different classifiers: simple thresholding, a multiple regression-based, a random forest classifier, and an expert-based classifier, which distinguishes how many peaks there are in the laser echoes. As a first result, the treetop-based approach misses suppressed trees, which are important for the vertical structure, so these non-detected treetops are a problem. On the other hand, the laser echo approach misinterprets low branches as small trees. You can see here there is a forest with low vertical structure on top and one with high, with a lot of small trees at the bottom, and there are similar patterns in the laser echoes. The accuracy assessment shows that there are, in terms of spatial units, there are better results for circles and segments than for the grid. And when you look at the different classifiers, you can see that the best performing classifier is the expert-based classifier using the segments. Further, when comparing laser echoes and treetops, you can see that the laser echo approach performs better in all cases in terms of the spatial units. So the laser echoes are better suited apparently for the vertical structure. Finally, the overall best results, as I already said, is achieved using segments and based on the laser echoes with an expert-based classification. And the next steps will be to combine laser echoes and treetops, use higher point densities and stem detection approaches. Please get in touch, I'm somewhere around, or send me an email, as you can see my email here. Thank you.